Another $13.99 travel trailers, 2025 Avenir 17BH. So we have it in both ways, 17BH bunkhouse or 17 RV rear bath. $13.99, no any hidden fees, just plus tax and license. This is a brand new 2025 Avenir 17BH. Come with a 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Also a very big important thing, this one come with the AC on the roof, not the side AC, so more efficient and no leak. Also come with the 6-gallon hot water heaters. It's already prepped for backup camera, as you see here, and it has expandable ladders on the side, tank flush, sewer flush, power cord, cable hookup, and pass-through storage, as you see from both sides. All this self-contained travel trailers only for $13.99 at Best RV. And make sure, guys, no any hidden fees, free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientations, free get ready package, no gimmick fees, just $13.99 plus tax and license. Let me show you the inside. As you see, it has a bed in the front with the storage. So there's a storage underneath the bed, this storage from inside, and then there's a storage from outside with the shelf, nice dinettes, and that's turned to a bed. Plus you have 2 big bunk beds, one here and one there, and they have even the bottom one has window. Plus on the floor you have also storage, you could store things. You have a big shelf with 110 plug, you could do any components, storage. Now when it's come to the kitchen, it has a nice prep area, as you could see, with a 2-burner stove, a fireplace, a sink, and a hot and cold place for cooking pans, tinsel, and then there's a tinsel door too. Fireplace for the heat, and then you have a nice microwave with a 12-volt refrigerators and a freezer. It's loaded, and they give you the big AC on the top. That's a big deal. If you guys remember, before it used to be on the side and people complain. Now we have the big AC sitting on the top. Then you have the LCD TV mount bracket with a TV hookup on the side, so you can put a TV and you can start from everywhere. And when you come here, you have a nice tub for the kids. You could sit and give them a bath, or you could stand up here and take a showers. And it has a vents, and there's room for your toilets with no problem. All this for $13.99. Come see and grab the brand new 2025 Avenir 17BH or the 2025 Avenir 17RB. Coming in.